Question: which part of the nephron is primarily responsible for reabsorption of glucose? Correct answer is C. Proximal convoluted tubule. Almost all filtered glucose is reabsorbed in the proximal convoluted tubule via active transport. Next question: which clotting factor is vitamin K dependent but not synthesized in the liver? Correct answer is D. All are synthesized in the liver. All vitamin K dependent clotting factors 2, 7, 9, 10 are synthesized in the liver. Next question: what is the purpose of the Allen test before radial artery cannulation? Correct answer is C. To assess collateral circulation. Allen test checks for ulnar artery patency to ensure hand perfusion if the radial artery is cannulated. Next question: which fetal presentation is most associated with cord prolapse? Correct answer is D. Transverse lie. Abnormal presentations like transverse lie increase the risk of cord prolapse during labor. Next question: what is the most common site of metastasis in prostate cancer? Correct answer is D. Bone. Prostate cancer most commonly metastasizes to bones, especially the spine and pelvis. Next question: which ECG change is commonly seen in hypokalemia? Correct answer is C. U wave. Hypokalemia causes the appearance of a U wave on ECG, especially in precordial leads. Next question: which medication is contraindicated in angle closure glaucoma? Correct answer is A. Atropine. Atropine dilates the pupil, which can worsen angle closure glaucoma. Next question: the Schilling test is used to diagnose. Correct answer is C. Pernicious anemia. The Schilling test assesses vitamin B12 absorption to diagnose pernicious anemia. Next question: which reflex is tested by stroking the lateral aspect of the sole in infants? Correct answer is B. Babinski. Babinski reflex causes dorsiflexion of the big toe and fanning of others, normal in infants. Next question: in which type of hepatitis is chronic infection most common? Correct answer is B. Hepatitis B. Chronic infection occurs in 5 to 10% of adults with hepatitis B, higher in neonates. Next question: which part of the brain regulates body temperature? Correct answer is B. Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus acts as the body's thermostat, maintaining core temperature. Next question: in mechanical ventilation, what does PEEP stand for? Correct answer is A. Positive and expiratory pressure. PEEP maintains alveolar pressure during expiration, improving oxygenation. Next question: what is the function of surfactant in the lungs? Correct answer is C. Reduce alveolar surface tension. Surfactant prevents alveolar collapse during exhalation while reducing surface tension. Next question. What is the priority nursing action during a blood transfusion reaction? Correct answer is C. Stop transfusion immediately. The first action is always to stop the transfusion to prevent further reaction. Next question. Which part of the ear is affected in sensorineural hearing loss? Correct answer is C. Cochlea. Sensorineural hearing loss involves damage to the inner ear cochlea or auditory nerve. Next question. In placenta previa, which sign is typically observed? Correct answer is C. Painless bright red bleeding. Placenta previa causes sudden painless bleeding in the third trimester. Next question. What is a common side effect of ethambutol therapy? Correct answer is B. Visual disturbances. Ethambutol can cause optic neuritis. Patients should report any vision changes. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency is associated with Wernicke's encephalopathy? Correct answer is A. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Wernicke's encephalopathy, common in alcoholics, result from thiamine deficiency. Next question. Which cell type releases histamine during allergic reactions? Correct answer is B. Mast cells. Mast cells degranulate in response to allergens, releasing histamine and other mediators. Next question. Which immunoglobulin is primarily involved in allergic reactions? Correct answer is B. IgE. IgE binds to mast cells and basophils, triggering histamine release during allergic reactions. Next question. Which hormone regulates calcium and phosphate metabolism in the body? Correct answer is B. Parathyroid hormone PTH. PTH increases calcium levels by stimulating bone resorption and reducing phosphate reabsorption in kidneys. Next question. What type of isolation is required for a patient with active tuberculosis? Correct answer is C. Airborne. TB spreads by airborne particles requiring N95 masks and negative pressure rooms. Next question. Which cranial nerve controls the movement of the tongue? Correct answer is C. Hypoglossal nerve 12. CN12 controls motor function of the tongue. Next question. Which of the following is a common complication of nephrotic syndrome? Correct answer is C. Hyperlipidemia. Nephrotic syndrome leads to increased synthesis of lipoproteins causing hyperlipidemia. Next question. The most definitive test to diagnose pulmonary embolism is? Correct answer is C. CT pulmonary angiography. CT angiography provides a detailed image of pulmonary arteries to detect emboli. Next question. Which electrolyte disturbance can occur due to rapid blood transfusion with citrate containing blood? Correct answer is C. Hypocalcemia. Citrate binds to calcium in the blood, leading to hypocalcemia. Next question. Which vitamin enhances iron absorption in the intestine? Correct answer is C. Vitamin C. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, increases the solubility and absorption of iron. Next question. What is the most common initial symptom of multiple sclerosis? Correct answer is B. Visual disturbances. Optic neuritis causing blur or double vision is often the first symptom of MS. Next question. Which drug is used as a first line treatment for status epilepticus? Correct answer is B. Diazepam. Diazepam is a fast acting benzodiazepine used to immediately control seizures. Next question. What is the most dangerous complication of pelvic inflammatory disease PID? Correct answer is B. Ectopic pregnancy. PID can cause scarring in the fallopian tubes, increasing the risk of ectopic pregnancy.